With the 24/12 release of Simcenter 3D, you can save weeks of simulation time and months spent parameterizing models. Start in Simcenter eMachine Design, where you can use its analytic methods to test many concepts and designs quickly. And then, export your best model to Simcenter 3D. Where you can generate a mesh with just one click. Now you can further tune any design parameter with all the design tools available with NX. Then, update your simulation model with just a few clicks and simulate them all in Simcenter 3D.